It is a matter of all times. A boy named Raman lives in a Nagar's village with his mother Manju's father Sanjay and eldest brother Santosh. Raman was very fat and due to this obesities he became very lazy due to which he always kept listening to his parents.
Sun has come to the head. But this boy, he's still lying on the bed.
If he does something bad, he's mine. And if he does something good, then he's yours.
Well, has he ever done something that I call him my boy? So far, it's your alone, not mine, okay?
Oh God, what are you saying? Do you think I was a mother? That he is only mine?
Hey, why you guys are screaming? Go out and fight, I'm sleeping. He's just lying down, and on top of that, he's talking nonsense.
Raman falls down from the bed and sides up the rubbing his eyes, he said.
Have you prepared the breakfast? Eat and sleep and repeat. That's it. Apart from this, there is no third work.
Oh, he has just woken up. So he will eat breakfast now?
No, no breakfast he would be taking. Eating so much, he has become a bull. Now, what do you want to make him? A unicorn? He has rested a lot. Now I am sending him to priest to take education. What? No, what? Come on, get up.
Oh, which priest? Tell me something. Where are you sending my son?
Hey, there is a very accomplished priest. He's arriving. People come to him to get education from far and wide. If we send him, then at least this animal will become a human being. Hey, I don't want to go. Hey, nobody has asked you anything. Do what I say.
Raman took his thick heavy bodies and got up, get ready and left.
Dad does not know from where the ghost of getting this education rode. Well, now wherever you are, a great man has said, where you live, have fun there. Now I will go to Baba and have fun.
Raman went out of the village walking and after a long way finally reached his destination. He found there was a small hut and a Baba was meditating there.
Wow, what a wonderful Baba. He's falling asleep while sitting. Hey Baba, get up. It is morning. Baba, hey oh Baba, get up. Who is this fool? Namaste Baba. I came to study from you. But why were you sleeping in a full afternoon? And that too while sitting? Hey you fool. I was not sleeping. I was meditating. Eh? Meditating for what? Have you lost your mind or what? Someone told me that there is a well accomplished Baba. And you do not even know that the mind cannot be removed from the head. It remains inside the head. Right, Baba? Listen to me now. If you want to get education from me, then sit quietly. Whatever I do, you will not say anything. Okay? Okay. Like your wish, Baba. Gurudev, your majesty, my lord. Hey, keep quiet. I had such a calm mind. I never shouted. You spoiled my mind as soon as you came. Don't know what you will do next. Only God knows.
The first day was nothing less than a major war for Raman's Baba asked him to sit and he himself started meditating. Raman's caught a board and he started looking at her and theirs.
This Baba is sitting and sleeping. What will he teach me? Hey Baba, do something. The flies have started biting here. You pledge to remain silent. If you speak again, I will draw the tongue. Yes, Baba. Now I will keep quiet.
The day passed by. Raman's was fingers. He should go back to his home, but then he remembers what his father said.
Dad had said, if I come back, he will pull my skin. Oh, let it be. It is okay to stay here.
From the very next day, Baba started teaching him. In the beginning, Raman faced a lot of difficulties, but gradually he started taking interest in everything. Baba also could not believe that Raman would become so very hard working.
Hey boy, you became my best student so far. I told you, Baba, I can do anything. The only thing I want is good sleep and food.
Several months lapse Raman's and his laziness educations at the times of farewells. Baba asked him to ask for a bounce with blessing.
I have not found a disciple like you till date. I'm very happy with you. Therefore, I give you the right to ask for a boon. You can speak. What do you want? Baba, give me something so that I can change my form whenever I want. Okay, but remember, changing the form does not change luck.
Baba read the mantras and a bright mask come to in his hand.
Take it. By wearing it, you will be able to take the same form in your mind. Use it wisely. Thank you, Baba. Now I will teach everyone a lesson. What did you say? No, nothing. I said it will be a fun now.
Raman walks towards the house with the mask on. The way he thought that he would first take the forms of his elder brother Santosh.
I will take the form of Santosh first. I will give a shock to mother and father that their eyes will torn.
Raman wore the mask and took the forms of Santosh. Now he started looking exactly like his elder brother. As soon as he reached home, he started drawing strange acts.
Mother, don't give me food from today. I will only be alive by air.
What? Son, what happened to you?
What nonsense are you talking about? Are you mad? Dad, I am thinking that I should become a monk. What is kept in this world? You guys also walk with me to jungle. Dad, let us sell the house and donate all the money.
Manju Devi's and Sanjay's was astonished. They started feeling their elder sons. He becomes maid, but then Raman's took his Rome farms.
Raman, you? Just now Santosh was here. What is this happening?
Mother, this is my new art. Baba has given me this magical mask so that I can take the form of what I want.
At the same time, Stonish also came, and then Raman told everything. The stories of the mask. Everybody is very happy. His father is sad.
Now, when you have returned, let me tell you an important thing. What is the matter, father? Hopefully, you are not going to send me to another Baba again? No, not with Baba. But yes, now you must settle down. What do you mean? We have decided your marriage. The girl's name is Rani. Rani? The same Rani who lives in our locality? The one who is fat? I will not marry her. So, do you want an angel? Have you seen yourself? You have a buffalo like body. I'm not going to agree. You have to agree. The more you open your mouth, the wedding will happen just as quickly.
Raman got upset and went out of the house. He thought that he would go to Rani's house and break the marriage. Then he saw that his friends were standing in front of him. Raman wore a mask and converted himself into a zimidar.
Hey boy, I have come to take the tax of your land. Come on, withdraw money. Which money? Which tax? Trying to become very intelligent. If you do not withdraw money soon, I will confiscate your land. Hey Zamidar Sahab, what are you saying?
Then Raman should take his through his farms and started laughing.
Hey, this is me, Raman. How did you do this? Baba has given me this magical mask. Now I can take any form of anyone.
Samay enjoyed hearing this then to reach Rani's house, but there Rani's fathers and brothers did not let them go inside.
I want to talk to Rani. Meeting with bride before marriage is a bad thing. This is the rule of our house. If you want to say anything, tell your father.
Raman's head starting opening. He thought he would run away to escape this marriage, but before escaping, he decided to place the villagers. He started wearing a mask and starting taking different forms. First of all, he changed disguise as the head of the village and went to the
Why
hallway.
is sugar less in sweets? We'll get your shop closed. Forgive, Pradhanji. Please forgive.
He became a woman's name Razia and went to the watchman.
Hey Chowkidarji, you look very beautiful. Will you marry me, Chowkidarji?
Hey, sister, I'm already married.
Please agree.
There was a start in the village. Everyone's where people started thinking that ghost. He comes to Laksham Nagar's. Raman decides to joke with most people of the village wearing the masks. Sometimes he changed the people's was wasting boy becomes a sometimes as an old grandmother he started scolding the children's.
Who all are here who will have a wrestling game with me? No, not at all, please. Where have you come from? I am the new wrestler of the village. Come on, show your strength.
Similarly, he beats everyone. Then suddenly he remembers sometimes old he had asked Change to marry him, but she refused because of his obesity.
Oh, Chanchal rejected me. Now the time has come to teach her a lesson. Hey, don't do anything wrong. Nothing wrong. Just keep watching.
Raman reached Chanchal's house as her husband's.
Chanchal, you look very beautiful today.
What? Are you feeling okay?
Hey, cannot live without you. Come in my arms.
What has happened to you today? You went away in the morning after quarreling with me and you came back so soon and saying such things? Well, it's a good thing.
Chanchal starting talking a very happy, but then her real husband came home.
Hey, who is this? I.
Oh God, who is this impersonator?
Ramans immediately ran away from there. Chanchal's husband was tried to kill him, but while running, Ramans suddenly starting flying.
Hey, wow! This mask is amazing!
He stopped far away, but in the meantime, the village came to know that Ramans was doing all this when he again did a strange act with someone's people started beating him in anger.
Enough now, Raman. We will not bear your mischiefs anymore. Hey, I was just kidding.
Now the villagers started making him run, but he would escape every time. For a week, he kept taking different forms and kept on escaping from the villagers. Event outside the village, running away and started resting. But when he woke up from the sleep, he came to know that his mask had been stolen. He panicked and runs towards the villagers. On reached the villagers, people started laughing, seeing his face.
Hey, what has happened to your face? My face? What happened to my face?
He runs and saw his face in water. His face was completely missing. There was nothing at its place, exactly flat like an egg.
Hey, what happened to me? Where did my face go?
The villagers surrounded him.
This must have happened due to repeated changes. I think I forgot my real face. And now my mask was also stolen.
The villagers started laughing loudly, and Raman started wondering how he would not get back these lost identities. When Raman reached home, everyone was surprised to see his face. Seeing his flat face, family members were swinging between fears and laughing.
Hey, what happened to your face? Now no one can recognize you. This is the problem. My face disappeared due to repeated changes. Never mind. Now marry and stay relaxed. Father, you are just worried about the wedding. I am leaving. I will bring back my face first.
Raman went out to find his friend Samesh, but he was not found. Everyone where he was convinced that Samesh had stolen his marks.
Now I understood. The mask is definitely with Samay. But where is he?
Raman went to everyone, grabbed stems, and started asking about Sameh.
You are Samay. Tell quickly. Hey, crazy man. Scaring me without mouth. Now go from here. Otherwise, I will beat you a lot.
Then Raman saw a beautiful girl, which the whole village was surprised to see. The girl suddenly start flying in the air.
Understood. This is Samay.
Raman shouted in anger.
Samay, you are a fraud. Return my mask. Now this is mine.
But then Samay scowled with birds flying and fell down.
Hey, cheater, you have a blot on the name of friendship. You are a cheater, you fat person, enjoying all the fun all alone.
Then the same Babas came there who gives Raman's death marks.
None of you deserve this mask. I'm taking it back. Baba, at least return my face. I have forgotten my real identity. At least return my face. Now you live with this egg-like face.
Seeing Raman's flat face, the villagers started laughing loudly again. Raman realized his mistakes.
All this is a punishment for my joke and lies. Now I have to live like this.
The villagers kept laughing and Raman went home with his flat face.